Hello, welcome back. Okay, we're going to jump right into it. We are going to begin this course with a foundational concept of learning to play the piano, and that is learning our scales. What is a scale, you might ask? A scale is a series or sequence of notes that begins and ends on the same note within an octave that forms the basis of melodies and harmonies. There are many different types of scales. There are major scales, minor scales, jazz scales, blues scales, chromatic scales. However, for the purpose of this course, we're going to focus on major scales because the majority of music we hear in the Western Hemisphere is based on the major scale. Now, what differentiates one type of scale from another type of scale? Essentially, the pattern of intervals within a scale determines the type of scale and differentiates one type of scale from another type of scale. Now, don't worry about intervals or the term interval. Don't let it scare you. We will delve into that in more detail in the next couple of chapters. However, let's go back to the definition and talk about the word octave. Now, if you think about the word octave, it begins with the letters OCT. And if we think about other words that begin with that, such as octopus or octagon, they have and share similar concepts. An octopus has 8 tentacles, an octagon has 8 sides, and an octave, for the purpose of this course, has 8 notes. Please move on to the next video for an illustration of what. Hello, everybody. Okay, this lesson is just to illustrate what an octave is. And as we mentioned in the previous lesson, scales can be broken out into chunks or sections called octaves. And these are a series of 8 notes going from one note to the very next note 8 notes higher. So for C, going from this C to this C is an octave, and as you can tell, it's 8 notes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We could pick another note, going from G up to the next G, or G down to the next G is an octave. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Hello, everybody out there. We are going to quickly review in this lesson finger numbers. So when we're doing scales, triads, chords, and so forth, we have to use specific fingers, and I'm going to refer to them by their numbers. So I want to teach that now so that we have that well under our belt. So right hand, your thumb is finger 1, index finger is finger 2, middle finger is finger 3, ring finger is finger 4, and your pinky finger is finger 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In your left hand, it's the same thing. Your thumb is finger 1, index finger is finger 2, middle finger is finger 3, ring finger is finger 4, and pinky finger is finger 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If you look at them, both hands together, finger 1, finger 2, finger 3, finger 4, and finger 5. Please memorize and utilizing these finger numbers in future lessons. Thank you.